Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Pope costume for men. The Maxim Party Supplies Adult Pope Halloween Costume. Perfect for Halloween, theme parties, or any festive occasion, this costume is designed to turn heads and bless your gatherings with a heavenly look. Let's take a closer look at what makes this outfit stand out from the rest. First off, this costume features a classic white robe that embodies the elegance of papal attire. Made from durable polyester, it's not only comfortable but also built to last. The lightweight fabric allows for easy movement, ensuring that you can enjoy your evening without feeling restricted. Whether you're dancing at a party or mingling with friends, you'll appreciate the breathability of this material. But what truly elevates this costume is the striking red papal poncho. This vibrant addition adds an extra layer of authenticity, making you look every bit the part of a beloved religious figure. The design is thoughtful and eye-catching, allowing you to stand out in any crowd. Pair it with the included hat, and you've got a complete look that captures the spirit of the occasion. Now, let's talk fit. The Maxim Party Supplies Pope costume is designed as a one-size-fits-most outfit, ensuring that it can accommodate a variety of body types comfortably. No need to worry about sizing issues. Just slip it on and you're ready to shine. Plus, the thoughtful design prevents any discomfort, so you can focus on enjoying your event rather than adjusting your outfit. This costume is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for Halloween, but it also works well for themed parties, cosplay events, or even religious festivals. Imagine showing up to a costume contest in this attire, confidently embodying a character that is both fun and meaningful. You'll be the life of the party, bringing smiles and laughter wherever you go. Now, you might be wondering about maintenance. The care instructions for this costume are simple: hand wash only and hang dry. This means you can keep it looking fresh and clean without the hassle of complicated laundry routines. Just remember, avoid ironing and bleaching to maintain its quality. Customer satisfaction is always a top priority, and with an average rating of 4.5 stars, it's clear that many have enjoyed this costume. People appreciate the combination of quality, comfort, and style. It's a product that delivers on its promise of making you look great while providing a comfortable wearing experience. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best Pope costume for men, look no further than the Maxim Party Supplies Adult Pope Halloween Costume. With its durable fabric, eye-catching design, and versatile use, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to make an impression. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy costume shopping!